I have now completed Design a CPU 3 and the course is up and live on my website. You can click through on the link and it will take you to the course. Alternatively, you can type in www.appliedmathematics.co.uk and it will take you to my website. So this is the website here, and you can click on all courses, and if you click along to the very last one, and you see how I have 18 different courses available here, and there's Design a CPU 3. So you can get access to the course by clicking on this link. The course costs £10 UK. Now you can get an awful lot of my videos for free on YouTube, but I have to charge for the full course because if I don't get any money coming in at all, I just can't make any more courses. So it's almost just like a necessary evil. Now, if you're interested, you can always have a look and see the course summary. And I'll let you listen to this just for a second.
If you really want to understand computer architecture, organisation and design, then
so that's a little cameo of the course. There's also the option to go through to the playlist, and I've got 7 or 8 free videos on the playlist and you can have a look at those. There's a description of the course and a little profile of myself, and there's the course curriculum here, and you can see we've got the introduction, and I'll quickly go through them. Course summary, introduction, and a computer memory map. Mathematics library, where we look at the power function, a call to a subroutine, the modulo function, factorial and square root. Then on to the graphics library, where we look at generating rectangles. There's a new assembler setup as well. The Bresenham circle algorithm is described and also programmed, and we are able to draw out triangles and also plot points. Now we want to take the whole programming to the next level, so we want to have a much better text editor. So we use Visual Studio Code Editor and also a new assembler. We then go on to look at vector addition, subtraction, multiplication by a scalar, magnitude of a vector, dot product and cross products. And I describe these mathematically as well as working through the assembly language programming. We then go on to matrices, and we've got addition and subtraction, multiplication by scalar, the determinant of 2 by 2 and a 3 by 3, matrix transpose and matrix multiplication. We then go on to look at how we represent complex numbers on our computer. We're looking at the real and imaginary parts, the complex conjugate, complex addition and subtraction, and complex multiplication. We then go on to look at the string library, so we generate the string length, string concatenation, and string copy functions. We then go on to represent decimal numbers using an 8.8 fixed point number system, and we go through the addition, subtraction, multiplication, a power function. We then go on to the Taylor series approximation for the sine, the cosine and the tangent, and also the exponential function. We then go on and look at generating the sine function over the entire domain, and also looking at generating the cosine function from the sine function over the entire domain, and then the tangent function from both the sine and cosine functions over that entire domain. We then go on to look at parameterized equations, and we can generate the circle using parameterized functions, and the parametric spiral, parametric lines, and then we get access to ChatGPT to generate some other examples for us of parametric functions. Now that is the end of the course, but it's not quite the end of the course. I do have about another 10 or 15 videos which I will add in over probably the next month or so. Now, I had to put a stop to the course at some point because it was just going on and on and on and on, and I've got so much stuff I could add in. I could literally put in hundreds of videos covering topics of designing a little libraries for our CPU. Now, another section that I will be adding in is a section for students' programs. So that's in effect featured code. So what I'm hoping to do is for you to get access to the assembly language and run in Visual Studio Code Editor and generate your own code and subroutines, load them into the machine and generate some cool functions and cool routines. So that's really what I would like you to do, and I already have a few of those sitting waiting to go on. So there's still lots and lots more I can add to this course, and it really is, it's the gift that just keeps giving. So if you're interested in doing the course, click on the link, have a look at it, see if it's what you're interested in. If it is, then let's crack on and let's design a CPU 3. Thank you for listening. I'll get you on the course. Goodbye.